Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add flashlight and camera to lock screen on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application, scroll down, locate wallpaper and style and click on that. Now you should see your lock screen and then the home screen. Click on the lock screen wallpaper. Now you should see the plus button at the bottom right and then the plus button at the bottom left. Then click on it. Select your flashlight. Then again, select the plus button at bottom right, select camera. Now go ahead and click on the down button at top right to save changes. Then once you see changes applied to lock screen, you can exit the settings page. Now when your phone screen is locked and then you try to unlock, then you should see your flashlight like this. And then you should see the camera like this. So that's exactly how to add flashlight and camera to lock screen in Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.